Okay, so hello YouTube, my name is Vlad, and what I have in front of me is this box that has arrived today, and I'm quite happy that I'm opening this thing and that I bought it for myself. Supposedly, keyword supposedly, this amplifier has a good sound. So, before we continue, I need to get my scalpel. The dog, as always, she's not overwhelmed, I believe is the correct word. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So this, and you can already see that the amplifier is upside down. And I remove it like this. I so hope that the lamps are not already inside. Okay. And the lamps are not inside. By the way, this has some beefy ass capacitors. So yeah. Let's remove the lamps. And by the way, seriously. And there are two small lamps inside. Let's see whether there is something more in here. There should be a power brick. Well, brick it is, but not that heavy. Go figure. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at the power brick itself. And the brand is Emerson, and I actually think that this is actually quite known brand. I'm not sure though. Maybe it's like Chinese Emerson or something. Anyway, entrada e salida. Eso es en español. Significa entrance and exit, I suppose. 100 volt. Well, actually 100 volts to 240 volts, 50 hertz. And 24 for the output, and 5 amperes, which is 5 amps. I'm actually studying Spanish, true story. Anyway, this is quite beefy power supply, 24 volts and 5 amps. I guess quite a lot. And let's take a look at the amplifier itself, and you can already see that this, well, the quality of production. I hate it so much when they fuck up something like this. Well, anyway, let's put this thing back. And so there is, like, I guess this is output, this is input, I think. This is phones. And there is line in and line out. So there is nothing much to it except this. Now, to be fair, there should be 6 screws in here, which I do not see. And I guess you can't actually go quite wrong with this thing. So yeah. This lamp is actually made out of plastic. Well, this part anyway. But how do you install this thing? Oh. So there is this, okay. So, I guess it does look cool. Now let's install the other 2 lamps as well. Okay. Okay, but to be fair, it actually looks quite nice. And these capacitors are a nice touch. But whether this thing sounds good or not, we shall see. So, yeah. Should I install this or not? This actually looks ugly. I think it looks way better without this. Okay, so the amplifier is actually set in place and it is already all heated up. So I'm going to actually show you how this thing sounds. Now, at first I didn't think that I was going to show you because, well, it has output to the headphones. However, it also has line out, or at least I think, because this thing sounds amazing. Now, it might be a placebo effect, but I'll leave you to judge. And I actually did bought a new mic, so this should sound rather good. So the amplifier I will be testing this thing with is Cambridge Audio Azure 650A, which is quite a good amplifier. I've been having it for well, quite a long time. Probably not the greatest amplifier, but in my book, bang for the buck is spot on. Okay, and the speakers are Wardale's. These are, I believe, Diamond 10.1, I'm not quite sure. There is also an active subwoofer. Unfortunately, it is in the wrong part of the room, but I just moved in, so I will be moving this thing to where it should be. And I will be playing actually a song from Gibonni, which is called Anđeo, Tebi. I've been listening to Gibonni for quite a while, and he's a great artist. However, I won't be playing it for a long time because, well, copyright and stuff. So, as you see, we won't be listening to Gibonni since I got copyright strike, which is too bad. But we will be listening to, I believe, Diamond Ortiz, which is from YouTube Library. And it is a quite nice song, and it, well, it helps this amplifier sound good. So, without further ado, enjoy. And that is pretty much it, I guess. If you like this video, please click like. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. If you would like me to disassemble the amplifier and show it to you what's inside, I can do that. But I don't think that there will be much inside, at least what I've seen anyway. So yeah, until the next time, consider subscribing and have a good day. Bye.